Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Motorola Moto E22. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button, this one. If you don't have this button here, tap the pencil, scroll down, find this button in this block, press and hold and drag to top like this for add. And now for save your top navigation bar, click back. Now you add the screen record button and tap it. And before start recording, we got record audio option. Here we got switcher, if you wanna turn off record audio or turn on record audio. And if we tap on record audio option, we can customize. For example, I wanna device audio and microphone option, so need to choose and activate this option, of course. So if you want a microphone or if you want a device audio, you need to change this option and activate and tap start. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.